When I look into your eyes, I can see a love restrained. Oh yeah. But darling, when I hold you, don't you know I feel the same? Oh yeah. 'Cause nothing lasts forever, and we both know hearts can change. And it's hard to hold a candle in the cold November rain. We've been through this such a long, long time, just trying to kill the pain. But lovers always come and lovers always go, and no one's really sure who's letting it go today, walking away. If we could take the time to lay it on the line, I could rest my head just knowing that you are mine, oh mine. So if you want to love me, then darling, don't refrain. I'll just end up walking in the cold November rain. I know it's hard to keep an open heart when even friends seem out to harm you. But if you can heal a broken heart, wouldn't time be out to charm you? Sometimes I need some time on my own. Sometimes I need some time all alone. Ooh, everybody needs some time on your own. Don't you know you need some time all alone? And when your fears subside and shadows still remain, oh yeah, I know that you can love me and there's no one left to blame. So you never mind the darkness and you still can't find the way. 'Cause nothing lasts forever, even the cold November.